Tried to start your Ford Ranger, but all you got was silence? Here's what to check first. First, don't panic. The push-button start system is convenient, but a few common issues can trip it up. Step 1. Check your key fob. If the battery is low or dead, your truck won't recognize it. Try holding the fob right up to the start button and pressing firmly. Still nothing? Swap the fob battery if you can. Step 2. Press the brake pedal. It sounds obvious, but if your foot isn't firmly on the brake, the system won't engage. Make sure you're pressing it all the way down, then try again. Step 3. Look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see messages about the key, battery, or brake, that's a big clue. Sometimes a flashing key icon means your truck can't detect the fob. Again, likely a battery issue. Step 4. Check your battery. If your Ranger's main battery is weak, the push-button start won't have enough power to work. Lights dim or clicking sounds. You might need a jump start. If none of these steps work, it's time to call your dealer or a trusted mechanic. So next time your Ford Ranger's push-button start isn't working, run through these easy checks. Save the headache and maybe even the tow truck. Stay safe and happy driving.